Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. How to stay motivated at work. Here are 10 tips to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Introduction. It can be quite challenging to stay motivated to complete chores, whether you work from home or in an office. Work is simply one aspect of life after all. And it doesn't just happen that you can concentrate on something for 8 or more hours. Therefore, it is up to each individual to identify what inspires them most and then design their work appropriately. However, there are numerous approaches to motivation because there are numerous psychological and emotional elements that play a key role in it. Staying motivated at work is essential for productivity and job satisfaction. Here are 10 brief tips to help you stay motivated. Watch this entire video to implement the same and stay motivated at your work. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in your job. Having clear objectives can keep you stay focused and motivated. Break tasks into smaller steps. Divide your work into smaller, manageable tasks. Completing them one at a time can give you a sense of accomplishment. Reward yourself. Treat yourself when you achieve a milestone or complete a challenging task. It could be a small snack, a short break, or something you enjoy. Stay organized. Keep your workspace tidy and organized. A clutter-free environment can help you stay focused and motivated. Find meaning. Understand the purpose and impact of your work. Knowing that your efforts contribute to a bigger goal can be motivating. Take breaks. Regular short breaks can refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Use this time to recharge and refocus. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude even when facing challenges. A positive mindset can boost your motivation. Seek support. Talk to colleagues or friends when you are feeling demotivated. They can provide encouragement and advice. Learn and grow. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and develop new skills. The prospect of personal growth can be motivating. Visualize success. Imagine the sense of achievement and satisfaction you will feel when you complete your task or reach your goals. Visualization can be a powerful motivator. Implement these tips and stay motivated. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful to you. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos and profound insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.